Ethiopian Prime Minister killing our people. We have no peace. 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 Ethiopian Prime Minister. Ethiopian Prime Minister. Declare war on us. Ethiopian Prime Minister. Ethiopian Prime Minister. Killing our family. Killing our family. Shout killing our family. Ethiopian Prime Minister. Ethiopian Prime Minister. Canada. Justin Trudeau. Justin Trudeau. Can you hear me? Oromo Nageta. Managallare. Ingalla. Motumba sanachi kaumale managalla. Abiy Ahmed achibu kaumale managalla. Abiy Ahmed seradiya tumale managalla. Luppul Oromo baate managgalta. Kerron sina heddu baate managgalta. Amma right now, our people are dying. Right now, Oromia is the war zone. Oromia is the war zone. Right now, Canada, Justin Trudeau, can you hear us? Can you hear me? We are dying. We are very peaceful people. We are very peaceful people. Our people are dying. Our people are dying. We have no stability. We have no peace. We have no stability. Our family is dying. That is affecting us here. We are affected by killing of our people back home. Canada, Oromo, Ini Fatina, Oromo, Jalanne was Anjiru, Tirki Kanubaseni, Duajirani, Manaduarani, Oromo, Umanda Oromo, Mileni Santama, Malayda, Oromo, yes, every day, yes, Abiy Ahmed international criminal court Jawari dapat kamu. Jawari ajes yang tadi. Yes. Abdi raga sahabat kamu yang neni. Yes. Lagi gambar kamu yang neni. Yes. Oromo jeneri suri kena rapun tahu kaba. Tahu kaba. Karena ada kesan dagang bane kami. Yes. Yes. Saya dipilih kami. Yes. Sarang sana mereka pilih kesan kami kami. Yes. Wali mugargalani buat tinggal dalam nama Tuhan ini. Yes. Kami cuma nak ini. Wali nama Tuhan ini. Akas ini. Yes. Sana tu dia sana kasih ini. Akan dah itu suara ini. Semua ini suara ini.
Kun City Council magaalatti gudditti argamudha. Amma si Balbala City Council fuuldura dhaabbanneetu sagalee keenya dhageessifachaa jirra.
We are dying. Thank you so much.
Justice for Hachalu. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Bakala Garba.
Okay, everybody need to understand that we need to pass our message.